Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will learn about the introduction of HTML. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to get more on my videos. Okay, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the most widely used language to write web pages. It consists of a series of elements which you can use to enclose or wrap different parts of the content to make it appear a certain way. It's first found by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages are linked together, and as its name suggests, HTML is a markup language that defines the structure of your content. HTML code ensures the proper formatting of text and image for your browser. And here is our HTML basic document structure and head. This element wraps all the contents on the entire page and is sometimes known as root element. And the head tag acts as a container for the stuff you want to include on the HTML page, and it's not displayed for the page viewers. And the body tag contains the element that you want to show to web users when they visit your web page. Okay, and here is the basic element structure. In the opening tag, this states where the element begins and starts to take effect. This consists of name of the element wrapped in opening and closing tag. And the closing tag is same as the opening tag, except that it includes forward slash before the element. And the content is just the content of the element. And the element is opening tag, closing tag, and the content tag comprised element. And our next topics will be HTML tags, elements, attributes, phrase tags, meta tags, comments, lists, HTML image, and more on your suggestions. If you want something, just leave it on the comment and I'll try to upload on my next video. Thank you.